हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो पर बात करने वाला हूँ सेल्फ असेसमेंट टर्म 2 मॉडल पेपर 2025-26 क्लास 8th सब्जेक्ट सोशल स्टडीज क्वेश्चन पेपर with the answer discussed in the video. Like, share and comment on the video. Section A, multiple choice question. Each question has 4 options, out of which only one option is correct. Question number of the first: which of the following factors directly influence the color, texture, minerals content of soil? What is the right answer? Right answer, parent rock is the correct answer of the question number first. Question number of the two: who among the following is practicing shifting means zoom cultivation? Option C is the right answer. Ravi, clearing forest land for cultivation. Zoom cultivation involves clearing a patch of forest land, burning the vegetation, and the forming the area. Question number of the three. This one is a question number of 3. The elected representatives are accountable to the. Option A is the right answer, people. In a democracy, elected representatives are chosen by the citizens and must answer to them. Question number of the 4. This one is a question number of 4. What does the change primarily indicates regarding the patenting of a traditional remedy? What is the right answer? Right answer become option B is a right answer. Traditional remedies gain economic value is the correct answer of the question number 4. Question number of the 5. This one is a question number 5. Which of the following statement belonged to indigo plantation? Option A is the correct solution of the fifth question. The indigo plant grow primarily in a tropical regions. Question number of the 6. This one is a question number of 6. A group of people are not allowed to enter a public park. They feel that their fundamental rights have been violated. Who should solve this problem? Answer is a High Court is the correct answer of the option C is the right answer. Question number of 7th. The term Adivasis means original inhabitants is the correct answer of the question number 7. The word Adivasi literally translates to original inhabitants, referring to communities living close to the forest. What is the next of the question? This one is a question number of 8. Which of the following are considered major threat to the environment? What is the answer? Answer is the option A. Soil erosion and the desertification is the correct answer of the question number 8. Question number of the 9. During British rule in India, farmer Raimama paid his taxes directly to government officials without any intermediary collecting payment from him. Which land revenue system did he comes under? Rayatwadi system is the correct answer of this question number of 9. Question number of the 10. What is the question? If an executive body punishes a citizen without allowing a trial in court, which principle of the constitution is being violated? Which one is the right answer? Separation of the power is the correct answer of the question number 10. What is the question number of the 11? Question number of the 11. Vayand in Kerala and Nilgiris is Tamil Nadu are famous for coffee and tea plantation. These regions are example which farming method. What is the correct answer? Terrace farming is the correct answer of the question number 11. Question number of the 12. Matching of the question number of the 12. Option B is the right answer of the question number of the 12. Question number of the 13. This one is a question number of 13. Read the following assertion and reason carefully and choose the correct option. Option A is the right answer. Both assertion and reason are true. R is the correct explanation of A is the right answer. Question number of the 14th. How many high courts are there in India? 25 is the correct answer. There are currently 25 high courts operating across the various states and union territories in India. Question number of the 15. This one is a question number of 15. Which of the following statement is not true about Adivasis? Option C, gradual increase in access to their traditional homelands. Question number of the 16th. Which two countries are leading producers of jute? India and China, India and Sri Lanka, India and Bangladesh, Bangladesh and the Nepal. What is the answer? Option C, India and Bangladesh is the right answer of this question. The highly fertile Ganga Brahmaputra Delta makes India and Bangladesh the world absolute leading jute producers. Question number of the 17. Which of the following was not an economic activity of the tribes in 19th century? What is the answer? Answer, working as a factory laborers is the correct answer of the 17th question. What is the question number of the 18th? National Movement. India National Movement 1932 Dandi March is the correct answer of this question. Question number of the 19. Who is the final interpreters of the constitution and can strike down law passed by the parliament if they violated it? Option is a given: president, prime minister, supreme court, election commissioner. Answer is the Supreme Court is the correct answer of the 19th question. Question of the 20. What is the last of the beat of the question? Why is India called a federal country? Option B is the right answer. Government at the central and state is the correct answer. Federalism explicitly referred to existence of multiple tiers of government, mainly central and the state level. What is the next of the question? This is the question number of the 21. Each question of the carries of the 2 marks. How can we understand the concept of the colonial rule? Question number of the 22. Why did James Mill and Thomas Manlery think that European education's essential in India? Question number of the 23. Our environment is being polluted due to various human activity. Mention any 4 of them. And the question number of the 24. Why do some groups become marginalized in society? Explain any 2 of the reason. Each question of the 4 marks of the descriptive type of the question. Observe the resources in surroundings and write a notes of distinguish which of them are renewable and which are not renewable resources. Question number of the 26. In what way was the administration of the company different from that of Indian rulers? 27th question. Explain the method of election to the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. and observe the map of the pie chart below and answer the questions. Four question asking from this pie chart which information so in the above chart mention two things that our government give subsidies, which item get highest share of government spending, at what percentage does the central government spend on scheme. And the 29th question, explain key political events from 1937 to 1947 which led to the demand for Pakistan. And the 8 marks of the question internal of it in this question. From the list below, identify the work of a state government and of a central government. The decision of the Indian government to maintain peaceful relation with the China. And second condition, the decision of Madhya Pradesh government and discontinue board examination in class 8th for school under the board. Introduction of a new train connection between Ajmer and Mysore. Introduction of a new 1000 rupees note. And this one is a internal of the question, any one of the following answers. Next of the question number of the 31, explain the reason behind the outbreak of the 1857 revolt. Question number of the 32A, read the paragraph and write the answers. Any one of the following answers. This is the all of the questions. Read the paragraph and write the solution on the paragraph based question. Locate the label of the map, Indian map. Meerut, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and internal of the question Goa, Rajasthan, Kanpur, and Mysore. This is a question paper and beat question of the solution in this video. Like, share, and the comment on the video. Thank you so much.